We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a Why you just throw it on the package, you mother? YouTube, y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy, Tame be chopping, back with another video. So I was chopping some heads real quick, you know what I'm saying? And the UPS man came in, the postman came in. He said, Tank, we got something for you. Check it out. So I just got this in from Babyliss Pro, probably about 10, 15 minutes ago. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I already opened it because I was excited about it. But I'm gonna open this on camera for y'all so y'all can see what's in the box. Y'all check that out. The Babyliss Pro Boost Collection Clipper and Trimmer. So these will actually be available on the Babyliss Pro website February 1st. Let's go ahead and take this off so y'all can see it. Check that out. New high-speed, high-torque brushless motor, 6,800 RPMs, DLC fade blade, diamond texture rubber handles, a new lithium-ion battery, click lever, metal housing. You know what I'm saying? This basically the same thing that all the other Boost clippers and trimmers come with, but they're just giving you the specs on here. But let's go ahead and take a look at the actual clipper and trimmer. All right, so let's check out the trimmer. And I'm pretty sure this comes with the same exact stuff that the other Boost clipper and trimmers came with. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for y'all so y'all can see it. I know that's why y'all clicked on this video. Y'all wanna see the hardware. So we're gonna go ahead and open the trimmer up first. So check it out. Here's the all murdered out black on black Boost with the DLC blade on there. The DLC 2.0, by the way. Y'all check that out. That is the trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. Y'all know how these things sound, man. It's nice and powerful. Like the grips on it. Let's go ahead and see what else comes in the box. All right, so there's a box under this, so we're going to go ahead and take this off. Open this up, and I'm sure it's just the charging cord in here, but I just want to show y'all just so y'all can see it. All right, so it does come with an extra cam follower in this this little plastic piece, and then we get a zero gapping tool and the blade cover and a screwdriver, and then we get the charging cord. Let's see what else is in here. And then we get a little brush. So that's what you get with the trimmer. Let me go ahead and put this back in this box. All right, so once again, here is the new BoostFx trimmer, the murdered out black on black. Go ahead and open up the clipper for y'all. And here is the murdered out black BoostFx clipper. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really liking the black on black. Looks really good. We're gonna go ahead and open this up for y'all. So check it out, here is the clipper. We got the click lever on there. It does come with a fade blade on there. We got the rubber grips. Nice and quiet. So y'all check that out one more time. Let me go ahead and see what else comes in this box. Open that for y'all. So we got the Babyliss regular guards, not the premium. We got a little brush, some oil, screwdriver, an extra cam follower for the blade. Then we got the charging cord, and then the rest of the Babyliss guards. So let me go ahead and throw that back in here. And then we also have the little pamphlet, but y'all know your boy really don't ever be checking that out. So let me show y'all the hardware one more time. Here is the clipper and the trimmer. The new BoostFx all black clipper and trimmer combo. I'm gonna have to find out the price for y'all to make sure y'all can check it out when it does drop. Now remember, you can go to BabyLissPro.com. You can use my discount code TANK10. So if you are interested in purchasing these when they do drop on February 1st, you can use my discount code TANK10. Save yourself a little bit of money, but I will find the price out for y'all. But I'm liking the way they look, man. That matte black is nice. Check that out. Let's look at that one more time. Y'all know what it is, man. Your boy's gonna put these to use today, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about them. Let's get it. Did you get a 5 last week? I mean, it's cutting a little bit. Nah, I don't remember.
Jessica's uncle, $300 for the square for the Super Bowl. And it's funny because I had just set up Apple Pay a couple months ago because I didn't know.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's been there the whole time. I never knew until we. You didn't have no issues with them? I'll try again.
You're not working on them?
December 15th.
Oh.
Yeah, we went to go pick up some motorcycles afterwards.
Thursday, maybe?
I think it was Friday.
I said, might as well. I ain't got nothing else to do.
Yeah, I'll probably go out tonight though, so I said fuck it. I didn't plan on going out this weekend. Say you look bigger.
You got that pump still.
I think they open up a gym next week. That World's Gym or whatever, right there where the old YMCA used to be on.
Oh, they are opening it up?
Yeah.
I remember someone was telling me about that. Gold's Gym, right? Or is it World's Gym?
World's Gym, I think. The one with Booker T or whatever. Trainer there.
The president just gave 4,000 speech on the capital. The biggest cities are the worst one. The airlines will return.
We consider northern Minnesota to be potential. Are you recording anything?
Water, no gas for the winter.
The question that we've got to address is
What the hell is it? About 5% of the population aren't affected. It has to be brought up. There is no alternative. And like any virus, once we find its origin, we can develop plans to fight.
How you been, man? You been good?
Yeah, man.
Working?
Yeah. You know, it's usually our time when we slow down. It's been pretty busy.
Working, cutting hair.
Making content.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been seeing you, man. Shit, I was behind a little bit on some of your videos.
Oh, you 3 times a week.
Yeah. Yeah, because I got the Instagram and YouTube. The Instagram, I be seeing you be posting a lot.
Yeah, I post a lot on Instagram.
The store. Any expos?
There's one coming up in, is it February or March? I don't remember the date. But it's on a Saturday, so. And how do these trimmers feel? They're brand new.
That feels good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Smooth.
Well, the clippers new too. But
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, YouTube, so check it out. Here is the Babyliss BoostFx, the murdered out black edition. Here is the clipper, and here is the trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these on for y'all one more time, just in case y'all couldn't really hear the sound earlier. So this is the clipper on. Nice quiet hum, and here is the trimmer. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and talk to y'all about the trimmer first, since I got the trimmer in my hand. So once again, guys, let's check out this trimmer. As y'all can see, it does come with the DLC 2.0 blade, rubber grip. It's supposed to have a battery in it that lasts a little longer. I'll turn this on again for y'all. Check that out. Y'all hear that nice hum? You know, as y'all may or may not know, all the Babyliss trimmers come with a little hanging hook on there. That way you can hang it on your station or whatever you want to do with it. So that is the trimmer. Let me go ahead and show you the clipper one more time. Here is the clipper, the murdered out black on black BoostFx. It does come with a fade blade. I had some people asking me on Instagram earlier, because I did post a story on my Instagram and people were asking me about it. And it does come with a fade blade. People were worried that it came with that black wedge blade. And that black wedge blade ain't bad. I like the wedge blade, but I can understand why people would much rather have this fade blade on it. And just like most Babyliss clippers, as y'all can see, we have, you know, the click lever on there. You know, same thing with the clipper. We have the ring at the bottom. That way you can hang this on your station. We got the nice rubber grip on there, just like we do with the trimmer. And I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all guys. These are basically the same clipper and trimmer as any other BoostFx that has come out recently. Only difference is they're a different color and they may have different blades. Like this one has the DLC 2.0 blade. I believe the gold one had the DLC 2.0 blade, but the Chameleon had that Chameleon blade on it. And same thing with this. It does come with the fade blade on here, opposed to where the Chameleon one came obviously with a Chameleon fade blade on it. But other than that, this clipper is basically the same thing as any other BoostFx that is out, and the same thing with the trimmer. It is the same trimmer as any other BoostFx trimmer that is out. Now, one thing that I do like about these that is different, obviously, is the color. The murdered out black on black does look good. You know, a lot of people like the black on black, and I really like that it's that matte black. Look at that matte black finish. Not too glossy. It just looks nice and sleek. You know what I'm saying? Same thing with the trimmer. Nice and sleek matte black on there. But as far as performance wise, y'all already know how these perform. And if y'all don't, y'all might want to go check out my previous video of me unboxing and my initial thoughts on the BoostFx and the Chameleon BoostFx. Y'all go ahead and check those out. I'll make sure I put the link in the description. But other than that, guys, they're good tools. You know what I'm saying? Trimmer balls out good, lines up well. I do like the DLC 2.0 blade. Some people may need to gap this blade a little closer because they don't like the way that it's gapped straight out the factory. But you know what I'm saying? Straight out the box, I think it works good. Same thing with the clipper, guys. You may want to gap this a little closer than what it already is, but straight out the box, it does work, can get the job done, does really well with bulk, and fades really, really well. Really like the way this clipper and trimmer performs. I'm not sure what the price is going to be on the trimmer and the clipper, but if you go to BabylissPro.com, you can use my discount code TANK10, you know what I'm saying, save yourself a little bit of money. But I do know some barber supply stores already have these items in stock, so you can check them out. Matter of fact, if you do want to cop this right now before February 1st, you can actually go to fwbarbersupply.com, you know what I'm saying. I know they have a few left. I'm not sure if they'll still have them by the time this video drops, but you can check them out and you can see if they have it in stock. When they do, go ahead and knock them off. But if not, BabylissPro.com, you can get these and use my discount code TANK10. That way you can save yourself some money. But that's basically it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.